अस्सलामुअलैकुम। पाकिस्तान जॉब अलर्ट के मुअज़्ज़िज़ ख़वातीन व हज़रात, आप सबको पाकिस्तान जॉब अलर्ट में खुशामदीद। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब ठीक होंगे। मैं भी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। आज की वीडियो एमएस एक्सेल के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ के मुतल्लिक है, जो कि एनटीएस, पीपीएससी, एफपीएससी, सीएसएस, बीपीएससी और बहुत सारे दूसरे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। और इसी तरह की इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस को देखने के लिए बने रहें पाकिस्तान जॉब अलर्ट के साथ। तो चलते हैं आज की वीडियो की तरफ। विच की इज यूज्ड फॉर हेल्प इन एमएस एक्सेल? F1. Which key is used to edit in MS Excel? F2. Which key is used to repeat last action in MS Excel? F4. Which key is used to go to tab in MS Excel? F5. Which keys are used to display the open dialog box to open or find a file in MS Excel? Control plus O. Which keys are used to display the print dialog box in MS Excel? Control plus P. Which keys are used to save the active file with its current name, location and file format in MS Excel? Control plus S. Which keys are used to underline the text in MS Excel? Control plus U. Which keys are used to copy the text in MS Excel? Control plus C. Which keys are used to close the selected workbook in MS Excel? Control plus W. Which keys are used to cut the text in MS Excel? Control X. Which of these keys are used in MS Excel for undo, to reverse the last command or to delete the last entry? Control plus Z. Which of these keys are used in MS Excel for redo? Control plus Y. Which of these keys are used in MS Excel to open a new workbook? Control plus N. Which of these keys are used in MS Excel to insert a current time in workbook? Control plus colon. Which of these keys are used in MS Excel to insert current date in workbook? Control plus semicolon. Which of these keys are used in MS Excel to copy a value from above cell? Control plus T. Which of these keys are used in MS Excel to copy a formula from above cell? Control plus comma. Which of these keys are used in MS Excel for spelling checking? F7. Which key is used to create a chart by selecting the data and pressing dash in MS Excel? F11. Open the Save As dialog box to save your current open Excel workbook in MS Excel. Short key is F12. Which keys are used to bold the text in MS Excel? Control plus B. Which keys are used to find the text in MS Excel? Control plus F. Which keys are used to replace the text in MS Excel? Control plus H. Which keys are used to use the italic style in MS Excel? Control plus I. Which keys are used to display the insert hyperlink dialog box for a new hyperlink or edit a hyperlink dialog box for selected existing hyperlink in MS Excel? Control plus K. Which keys are used to minimize the workbook in MS Excel? Control plus F9. Which of these keys to apply outline border to the selected cells in MS Excel? Control plus Shift plus and. Which of these keys are used to apply a general number format in MS Excel? Control plus Shift plus Tilt. ये थे आज के एमसीक्यूज और इसी तरह की इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस को देखने के लिए बने रहें पाकिस्तान जॉब अलर्ट के साथ। वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें। मैं जल्द हाजिर होती हूँ एक नई वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।